Want to create an automatic generated text with a free AI artificial intelligence tools? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI artificial intelligence tools that would generate content for you, based on your keyword and phrase. Get insights about the best algorithms for generating text with a free AI artificial intelligence tools. In previous video, I have discussed automatic video creation tools by AI artificial intelligence briefly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create amazing text by using AI artificial intelligence creators. Forget about low-quality articles and the need to spend hours on editing your content. Create the most engaging, high-quality content in minutes with just a few clicks. You can even make your auto-generated text with voice or text prompts. Open following website rytr.me. Click Start Writing button, free forever, upgrade as you scale. Select language, tone, use case, and video title. Choose number of variants as 1 variant and creativity level as optimal. Or choose all option as per your requirements. Now click Write for Me button and boom. Your auto-generated text is on the right side. Edit this text as you like and use anywhere. Keep an eye on your account usage, because you are only allowed to generate 5K free text per month. Paid account does not force you this limit.